Gary had asked us, what's the best Mac to Mac migration tool? Because he says he had failing Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on his 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro. So Intel to a new 15-inch M4 MacBook Air. So, similar.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And he says he wants to go for a clean install instead of bringing things over. But I kind of want to just talk about it in general. So if we have tips for him about doing a clean install, let's do that too.
Mm-hmm.
But also, I want to hear about your process of getting to this to this computer.
Yeah, so I had been doing over the network time machine backups to my Synology.
Okay.
I think I brought that up because I had gone like a year. We talked about this in a previous episode. You can go listen to it. I don't remember the episode number, but I had a problem because I was having issues with my external drives and my interface, and it was too annoying. And I just one day got mad and I ripped out everything, and I still had my Backblaze backup, but I didn't have really any of my other backups. So I wasn't doing Carbon Copy Cloner. I wasn't doing Time Machine. So I had reset up the network one. But I didn't know how that was going to go.
Sure.
Like restoring, because my preference is I usually just I migrate from Time Machine backup. So I grabbed both drives when the machine came in. I plugged them in. I redid both backups. So I did a Carbon Copy Cloner backup, a full backup, and let it do a full Time Machine backup. And that took overnight. It was a whole day to catch up because I was so far behind. And then I just used Migration Assistant with Time Machine. With the USB drive plugged in.
Okay, so the direct attached separate drive Time Machine was the source. You didn't use your old Mac as the source. You used the backup, the very up to date backup of it. Yeah. Okay.
Yep.